On today's coffee chat, I have to show you this bag that I painted. So I hand painted this entire bag, okay? And I will show you the before. And this is how the bag looked. So it's like a very hot pink color. And I'm not the biggest fan of hot pink, to be honest. I do love pink. Pink is like my favorite color, but I have very specific pink tone colors that I really like. Hot pink is not one of them, but at the time when I bought it, I thought it was really cool because this bag has multiple pockets and kind of like really cool features. But so when I recently was cleaning out my entire closet, I thought about what can I do with this bag, you know what I mean? Like, anyway, long story short, I decided to paint it because I did want to develop my painting skills, not for selling or anything, but just like as a hobby, like to develop like that side of my brain, you know what I mean? Like I just want to keep gaining skills, keep doing more things and learning more things. Anyway, so background, I don't know how to draw to save my life. I don't know how to draw, paint, or whatever. I have painted twice on canvas, and that was just one for fun, and the second one was with a date with my husband, and we watched a YouTube video and just did it. So but the first one was like a wine and painting type night, and we had a guide. But anyway, so the thing is that, long story short, what I'm saying is like I don't know how to paint at all. So this is my first time painting a bag as a first timer. But you know, rest assured, I did look at a few YouTube videos of what kind of paints to choose and what is the appropriate process. So I figured it out. I watched a lot of like people that I don't know, but also specifically I watched the videos of Heart Evangelista. So if you don't know who she is, she's a very one of the top influencers, fashion influencers right now and out of our time. So the things that she has painted Hermes bags. So I kind of like wanted to look for her process because there was this one specific procedure or step that one person took on one of the videos, which was I watched both, like painting on canvas but painting also on bags, leather bags. So there was one specific procedure that I didn't agree with, which was with cleaning the bag first, which my bags are already clean, so it's not like I had to like scrub the hell out of them or anything. But that one person was putting acetone on the bag first to clean it. I would never never do that. And then by watching Heart's videos, she didn't do acetone either. That is absolutely crazy. So yeah, I just want to warn you, don't do that at home. For a 20 bag, no acetone. Choose other stuff to clean. Anyway, so I figured it out. It took weeks because I didn't know what to do or what to paint, or like as far as like creative imagery goes, I just didn't know what to do. So Heart does girls, but I'm more of a nautical water person, like through and through. That's my soul, like. So I was like, it has to be something nautical because I'm just a nautical person. I mean, look what I'm wearing today. And I need to do this video really quick because I'm actually on my way out and I'm going to one of my favorite places in the state, which is like 3 hours away. Anyway, but how cute is this? So I decided to go with a sailboat. Even though I've never taken classes for sailboat, I could because I did take classes with a captain to learn how to drive or navigate a speedboat and a pontoon. And I also have my driving boat license. And I took a certification because it became law recently, like, this is so painful. It's 3 hours, that stupid test. Anyway, and I took the fast pass. But without the fast pass, it was gonna be 6 hours for that stupid license. You know, there's a special place in hell with whomever put that in place. Karma's a bitch. Anyway. So, anyway, long story short, I went with these colors, like all blues, and I did draw it. I practiced a lot. I do have a practice canvas board where I started drawing and trying to draw and trying to do it with without a pencil, but ultimately for this particular boat, I did need a pencil. So I had to draw it myself. I did practice on the board as well, so I'll show a picture of the drawing. And so that worked out pretty well. And then when I was started to paint inside, you know, and then I kind of like painted the lines over with paint, which was acrylic paint. And then here I painted with blue cerulean color. And oh my gosh, I love that color. I fell in love, you guys, this year. I'm like all about the blue cerulean color. It is so precious, looks so good, you guys. Like, I should do a bag, like an entire bag with blue cerulean color. Anyway, so I did paint inside of here, so there's a guest bag. And also I did these cute little fishies with the cute little white boat. So I looked at thousands of images online searching for boats because I do like the cute little pattern boat. Clothing items like t-shirts, even for guys. Like my brother has a little anchor, very cute pattern t-shirt, and I thought about doing anchors, but I decided to skip. But there is a lot of, like, my husband has particularly some socks that are a little sailboat pattern, so I decided to go for the white, and it just looks so cute. And these fishies, so these fishies are inspired by this bracelet that I got, and look at how cute, you guys. It has cute fishies, and I got this at TJ Maxx. I'm gonna try to cover my face for focus. But do you see that? And look at how cute all these fishies are. So anyway, I was inspired by the fishies, so I had to do fishies because why not? They're in the ocean, right? So this is pretty much kind of like ocean, and then this part I decided to just leave it white. I thought about the longest time, like, what else should I do here? But it just occurred to me to just keep it simple. You know how, I don't know, kind of like nautical stuff, it's just very simple. It's like, imagine nautical shirts from Nautica. It's just a cute little simple boat. It's just like that, right? It doesn't have the, it's different. It's not exactly like that, but kind of. So I decided to just go the simple route, and it kind of goes along the lines with the fact that my talent is limited. I'm just starting, you guys. But how cute. And then, so the inside, see, it has like a lot of pockets, and yeah, I made the chain shorter, and I'll show you that in a second. But how cute, right? I wanted to do something here on this face on the upper side, but I just decided to just leave it like that and keep it simple. And then on the back, I was like, okay, what should I do in the back? And I thought about different things, doing like a bigger boat, but I was like, no, I want to do something more cute. So I decided to go for the little sailboat pattern, which not super perfect, honestly. I did it yesterday. I kind of like finished it. I just wanted to get this done so I can bring this today to where I'm going. And I just wanted to get it done, okay? So could I have done a better job, you know, using a ruler, measuring? And I was like, you know what, whatever. This is the water, this is the wind, you know, it's wavy out there, you know, it's not gonna be a straight line. So whatever. But I think it looks cute. It's like, makes me happy. It makes me happy. Like when I look at it, it's like, oh, you know, it gives me like happy, warm thoughts. And yeah, so cute, you guys. And then this strap, which is metal. By the way, this gets really cold, so that's why I'm gonna wear it on top of the sweater. And I'm gonna show you my OOTD in a second, but yeah, so with the strap, it has like this detail, this bag, so I decided to leave the metal color that it came with, and then just paint blue cerulean on this side like that. But sometimes when I carry it, so I noticed yesterday, because I removed the entire chain to paint it, and I assembled the chain yesterday. So I noticed when I put it on that this part is like that, and you can just see, like, you cannot see any blue. So eventually my thought is I'm gonna paint also the side blue, just like that. But not right now, you guys. I need to go. Anyway, let me show you how it looks. And of course, if you know me, you know that I don't like a crossbody anymore. Yeah, absolutely not. So I definitely shortened the chain, and I don't know how long it was, but it took me a little bit to figure that out. Ultimately, that's what I decided to do, because the chain goes through there, so I decided to just cross it. Yeah, on one side, and then decided to not tie it, but it's kind of tied on this end. And then this is how it looks like the strap. And it goes like, I'm totally nautical today. Like, this is what I'm gonna wear. I did bring an extra long jean because, you know, 3 hours north, it can get pretty chilly up there. So I'm gonna bring an extra jean, but my shoes, my flats that I'm gonna wear are the ones with the cute little marlin, so it's all gonna be nautical themed. And I can also show you the shoes later, how it all comes together, how it all looks. But I just feel like this is just the best way you can repurpose a bag that you're like, oh, that color is not in anymore, and it will not be, you guys. And just choose something that you like. This is what I like: nautical everything, nautical everything. Yeah, so I already have my stuff in here, and I need to go. And my cup of the day is this striped one that I got years ago at either Home Goods or Marshalls or TJ Maxx, one of them, but it says everything sparkle. Everything sparkle. Yeah, so with cute little stars, and I love that. All right, everyone, if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments. And I don't know why I'm talking so low tone voice. I think it's because it's super early still. Anyway, well, thank you everybody for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.